Enforcement Directorate. The Directorate of Enforcement or Enforcement Directorate (ED) is a domestic law enforcement agency and economic intelligence agency. It is responsible for enforcing economic laws and fighting economic crimes in India. The origin of the ED goes back to May 1956 when an enforcement unit was formed for handling exchange control laws violation under the Foreign Exchange Regulation Act 1947. In 1957, the unit was renamed as the Enforcement Directorate, Nodal Ministry, Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance. Objectives of the ED. The prime objective of the Enforcement Directorate is the enforcement of three key acts of the Government of India, namely Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999 (FEMA), Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 (PMLA), and Fugitive Economic Offenders Act 2018 (FEOA). About Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. The Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA) 2002 was enacted in January 2003. The Act seeks to combat money laundering in India and has three main objectives: to prevent and control money laundering, to confiscate and seize the property obtained from the laundered money, and to deal with any other issue connected with money laundering in India. Section 3 of the Act defines offense of money laundering as whosoever directly or indirectly attempts to indulge or knowingly assist or knowingly is a party or is actually involved in any process or activity connected with the proceeds of crime and projecting it as untrained property shall be guilty of offense of money laundering. The Act was amended by the Prevention of Money Laundering Amendment Act 2009 and by the Prevention of Money Laundering Amendment Act 2012. Most recently, the PMLA was amended through the Finance Act 2015 Amendment, Finance Act 2018 Amendment, Finance Act 2019 Amendment. Powers of the ED under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 PMLA. Sections 48 and 49 of the PMLA empowered the ED officers to investigate cases of money laundering. Section 52 of the PMLA empowered the ED to summon any person whose attendance was considered necessary for giving evidence or production of records in the course of any investigation or proceeding under the statute. Section 53 mandated that the individual summoned was bound to attend in person or through authorized agents and would be required to make truthful statement and produce the required documents. The ED has special powers for confiscating property under the PMLA Act. In 2022, the Supreme Court in its ruling upheld the powers of the ED under the PMLA, emphasizing its crucial role in preventing money laundering. However, the Supreme Court clarified the ED officials were not equivalent to police officers and could not make arrests under the PMLA. The court highlighted the importance of adherence to the rule of law and establishing checks and balances in the ED's operations. What is Hawala money? Hawala is an informal method of transferring money without any physical money actually moving. It is described as a money transfer without money movement. Another definition is simply a trust. Hawala is used today as an alternative remittance channel that exists outside of traditional banking systems. What is an offshore bank? An offshore bank is a bank that is operated and regulated under an international banking license, which usually prohibits the bank from establishing by any business activities in the jurisdiction of the establishment.